Alright guys, I know we haven't talked about this yet, but I wanted to show you something fun. So when I got this, I did not have a way to hook up my dust collector, which is really just a rigid shop vac with one of the dust deputies on it. So not industrial grade by any means. I'm using 2.5 inch hose here to get that attached to the saw so that we can start working on some projects that we're doing videos for right now. This is what I came up with, which is hilarious, but it worked. It did an alright job. There's obviously a lot of leakage, so it wasn't doing the best job. So tonight, because every tool in the shop takes a different adapter, here we are in Fusion modeling a adapter for the new table saw, and this one should fit perfectly. I printed a quick test of the bottom rung there, the top being a 58mm ring for the rigid shop vac / dust collector that we're using. But you can probably hear it. It's buzzing away over here, and the Dremel is making, I guess, kind of quick work of it. We're at 70%. This is a little over 4-hour print. Went up to the 3D printer and made this part. And this is what we're going to try as a replacement for our box. She's a little tight on this side, but that's okay. It fits perfectly on the saw side, so this is totally going to work for us. Wanted to show you just a little quick project like this. We'll talk a little bit more about this saw in the next video. Thanks a lot, guys.